Bay windows have long been admired for their timeless charm, but in a city like Knoxville, where character and curb appeal matter, they can make an especially noticeable difference. If you're looking for a way to instantly elevate the exterior of your home while also improving its functionality, Bay windows offer a smart and stylish solution. One of the most immediate benefits of installing bay windows is the visual impact they create. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with your home's exterior, bay windows extend outward, adding dimension and architectural interest. This projection breaks up plain walls and creates a focal point that naturally draws the eye. In neighborhoods across Knoxville, where homes range from traditional to modern styles, bay windows can complement virtually any design while adding a touch of sophistication. Curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about how welcoming your home feels. Bay windows contribute to this by creating a more open and inviting look from the outside. The angled design allows more natural light to enter the home, which often translates into a brighter, more cheerful appearance both inside and out. When passers-by see a well-lit, visually dynamic exterior, it leaves a lasting positive impression. Knoxville homeowners also appreciate how bay windows enhance landscaping opportunities. Because they extend outward, they create a natural nook beneath the window that can be styled with flower beds, shrubs, or decorative stones. This added layer of design gives homeowners a chance to personalize their exterior and further boost curb appeal. A thoughtfully designed bay window area can turn a simple front yard into a standout feature. Another advantage is how bay windows can increase the perceived size of your home. From the street, the outward extension gives the illusion of more interior space, making your home appear larger and more substantial. This can be particularly beneficial if you're planning to sell your property in the future, as buyers are often drawn to homes that feel spacious and well-designed at first glance. In Knoxville's varied climate, bay windows can also enhance energy efficiency when properly installed. Modern bay windows are designed with insulated glass and durable framing materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. While the primary focus may be curb appeal, the added benefit of improved comfort and potential energy savings makes them an even more attractive upgrade. Functionality is another key factor. Inside the home, bay windows create additional usable space that can be transformed into a cozy seating area, reading nook, or decorative display. This dual benefit, enhancing both interior living and exterior appearance, makes bay windows a practical investment. Homeowners get to enjoy the upgrade daily, while also reaping the visual rewards from the outside. Customization options further increase their appeal. Bay windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and configurations, allowing Knoxville homeowners to match them perfectly with their home's existing architecture. Whether you prefer a classic wood finish or a more modern vinyl frame, there's a design that will seamlessly blend with your home while still standing out in the best way. Ultimately, bay windows offer a rare combination of beauty, functionality, and value. They instantly upgrade your home's exterior by adding depth, light, and character, three elements that are essential for strong curb appeal. In a city like Knoxville, where homes often reflect personal style and pride of ownership, this simple addition can make a powerful difference. If you're searching for a home improvement that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits, bay windows are a clear winner. They don't just change how your home looks, they transform how it's perceived, making it more inviting, more stylish, and more memorable from the very first glance.